The most important thing, though, that you have to consider with the greenhouse is because it has a floor and because it has runners underneath the floor is going to set 3.5 inches above the ground. This is something we experience with our own greenhouse and how important it is to seal off the floor. With the greenhouse being 3.5 inches above the ground, it does allow cold air to come up underneath. And so you need to seal that off in some way. We learned this in this particular greenhouse, my wife's. Earlier this year, the temperatures hit 17 degrees one night, and we did not have the floor sealed off. And so inside the greenhouse, the temperatures hit around 33 or 34 degrees. That next night, it was going to hit 17 to 18 degrees again. And so I got some gravel, I went around the exterior of the greenhouse, and I put the gravel up to the level of the floor. So it sealed off the outer perimeter of the greenhouse and stopped all that cold air from coming up inside. So the very next night, it hit 17 to 18 degrees again, but inside the greenhouse, it stayed closer to 50 degrees. So that's one of the most important things that anybody can do is seal off the floor. I don't care how you do it. The most important thing to know is just that you have to seal off the floor somehow, some way.